Do you have things that you need to do that you just can't possibly reach? For me, it is spring here in Florida and the war is on against the spiders because my daughter and wife will not come out here when the spiders are coming down out of the cage, and the cage is a good 20 feet tall, so I personally physically can't reach it. But using this cool new VEVOR pole, which extends to 30 feet, which is absolutely crazy ridiculous, I can clean the cage. Let me just show you real quick. Magic spider killer tool, let's throw it on here. And then from here, we simply extend this. Honestly, that's long enough. I'm 6 foot tall, and I am here exterminating. Yeah, that's right. Peace out, little spiders. You're out of here, and we're safe to swim. Absolutely freaking cool. That's only one extension. We could be really stupid and send this thing out a full 30 feet, which is absolutely... I'm not going the full 33. I don't think I can hold it. And plus, I was gonna say it is functionally useless, but do you see what's going on here? I'm in the middle of this giant pool, killing spiders. That is wild. Now I will say, it is aluminum construction, and when you get out there 20, 30 feet, it is heavy even with lightweight aluminum construction, but it is also very flexible, which I kind of like, because if you're going to use it for something like replacing a light bulb, or even here where I'm working on these screens, you don't want something really rigid that's going to poke through there. So this is absolutely the piece that you need. You should get this. I do have to tell you, it was provided to me to have this conversation with you, but they gave me no instructions, and I'm telling you, this thing's freaking awesome. You could get this. There's a link here on the screen or down below. Either one works the same way. You can't possibly go wrong with it. If I've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel. There's one of those spiders trying to escape. Where'd he go? I just saw him 2 seconds ago dangling here. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you know where the spider is, to put it in the comments. I'll catch you in the next video.